Good day to all my viewers. I'm glad to be back. Yeah, today I'm here in sunny South Africa on the Natal South Coast at a lagoon reserve. They call it Mpenjati. It's a lagoon reserve where you are allowed to fish. Hey, and this place is really close to my heart. Previous years, we always came here on holiday and we always visited Impati because it's a lovely lagoon to fish in, plenty of fish. If you come here the right time of the year. Yeah, and I just want to tell you, one of my friends told me now recently, I must show myself a little bit more. But yeah, remember still, I'm the producer, the cameraman and the fisherman. Sometimes it's difficult, but I just want to greet my viewers. It's Saturday today, and I had to work in my garden. Yeah, and my wife told me, listen, you're messing up all your nice shirts. So I worked in the garden and I wore one of my old shirts. So excuse me, but yeah, I'm just going to greet all my viewers. Hello, you guys and girls. Yeah, man. Look at my shirt. Not looking good. Yeah. Glad to see you guys. Yeah, you can see my shirt is not looking good. So yeah, I don't want to be on footage always because sometimes I've got very bad shirts on. But here on the Natal South Coast, you can even go to a shopping mall with a shirt like this and no one would look strangely at you because all the people are so relaxed here. Beautiful place. I love it here. But I'm gonna pause my video because I'm gonna show you what I'm doing here. Yeah, I've got two small rods here with small hookies. Yeah, so once again I'm trying for small fish. Yeah, it's 4:30 in the afternoon here, and unfortunately this reserve closes at 5 o'clock in the afternoon. So I've basically got 20 minutes to try and just catch one or two small fishies. But let's hope today we've got good luck. Yeah, so my two rods is in the water. I casted them quite close. I'm using sardine intestines for my bait. It's a very, very good bait. Yeah, and remember next time if you maybe cook sardines and you take the intestines out, yeah, keep them in a small baggie. It's very good bait. And what I always do is if I've got time, if I came earlier, I take some of that intestines and just throw it in the water. So you draw the fish and the small fishies closer. But let's see what happens here. I'm going to rebait quickly. Wish me good luck. Yeah, to all my viewers, I've rebaited my hooks. Yeah, I just want one fishy for the day. I've got so little time. Something's happening there. Something's happening. No, I've missed this one. But there's action. Yeah, that one I missed. There they're biting again. Always make sure your drag is open. If you leave your rods on a small stand like this, I've somewhere used a branch of a tree. If something nice takes it, it can just run. Oh, come on. Come on. I've basically got 10 minutes left. 10 minutes. Then they're going to close the gates of the reserve. Come on, please. Just one fishy. But I actually just came here to show you my viewers this beautiful lagoon. It's going to my left. You can hear the sea. It's about 500 meters to a kilometer long to that side, to the sea. But the mouth is closed at this stage. Yeah, it's always better if the mouth of the lagoon is open. Then the big fish can come in and out. Yeah. I think I'm gonna rebait again. There's very small ones biting now. I see them pulling my line, but they're taking my bait. Okay, I'm just quickly gonna rebait. I've got something. It's a small one. It's a small one. There we go. I've got one-y. Ah, can you believe it? Can you believe it? It's a very, very small kingfish. Beautiful. And this is, of course, catch and release. Tiny kingfish. Amazing. I use very small hooks. I'll show you with a photo. The hooks that I use, they're very tiny. Okay, the hook is out. Beautiful. I'm gonna put this little guy back. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna rebait quickly. I've got basically 5 minutes left before I have to leave. Okay, something's happening there. Something's biting. Come on. Come on. Now that one I missed. Okay, I'm quickly gonna rebait again, quickly. Okay, I'm just gonna cast this other rod in. I've rebaited. Let's see what happens. Yeah, this is a beautiful lagoon. I've caught my biggest grunter. Yeah, it was 4 kgs. And I've caught a beautiful big handle barracuda here of about 3 kgs. Yeah, and I've caught plenty of rock salmon. Beautiful fish. Big fighter. But there's so many kinds of fish that enters here, especially when the lagoon mouth is open. Yeah, But I just want to make a special tribute to my dad. He passed away a few years ago. Hey, sorry, my voice goes away. I miss that guy so much, my dad. He was the best dad, and he taught our three boys how to fish. Hey, and he was the best fisherman, the luckiest fisherman. Humble, beautiful guy. Dad, I miss you so much. But I know you're here with me in my heart and you're always fishing with me. Sorry, I get a little bit emotional. And yeah, I'm still gonna show you where my dad's favorite fishing rocks was. It's situated in Ramsgate. But I can just say, Papa, ek miss you. Yeah, if you translate that into English, Dad, I miss you. I love you. Yeah, and I also want to just say thank you to my oldest brother for supporting me and believing in me. Thank you, Boetas. Thank you, my brother. Baie lief vir jou ook. I love you so much. Yeah, I haven't seen my middle brother. I'm the young one. Yeah, and I can just say to him, he's of course the hunter in the family. The best hunter. Yeah, I think he should start his own hunting channel. I'm not into hunting anymore. I used to hunt, but I've gone soft. Yeah, I've gone soft. I don't want to kill animals anymore. But yeah, I miss that brother of mine as well. I haven't seen him for quite a time. Yeah, but I'm going to quickly rebait. The guy in charge of this resort said he'll come with his bucky when he closes the gate. So maybe I've got another 5 or 10 minutes. Let's rebait quickly. Guys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching my video. Hey, there's action. Just a second. I've got a little one. Very tiny one. Let's see. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. I've got it. I've got it. Yeah, beautiful. Small little grunter. We call this a grunter. Yeah, I told you now I've caught my biggest grunter in this lagoon. That's a small grunter. Beautiful. If I had some more time, guys and girls, you would have seen a lot of species of fish. But I think I will come back here. Let me know in your messages. Remember, I'm Afrikaans guy. I'm struggling with the English. That's not the right word. In your comments. Sorry about that. Yeah, let me know if you would like me to come back here, if you enjoy small fish species fishing. Then I'll come early in the day and I'll spend a few hours here, and I'll also bring my big rods because there's huge fish in this lagoon. Yeah. But unfortunately, I think I'm going to call it a day. And yeah, please, there's some more action on the other rod. This is a very special time of the day. Yeah, but unfortunately, the gate is going to close and I have to leave now. I'm just going to take this beautiful little grunter, very gently remove the hook, very gently. You can hear it grunt. Did you hear the grunt? That's why they call it a grunter. I hope you heard the grunt. It's grunting. Beautiful, but I'm gonna get it back. Bye, fellow. I hope you become a big grunter. Yeah. I'm pushing my luck now. But the guy that closes the gate promised me he'll come here with his bucky and tell me when he's gonna lock up. Maybe I must just quickly try another 1 or 2 casts. Okay, I'm just gonna pause my camera and rebait quickly. Oh, I love this. This was my biggest hobby when I was a little boy, to catch small fish. I love it. Okay, this action. Aye. This was a nice one. I think it took my hook off. No, I see it was a nice one. It actually bended my hook open. I think that was something bigger. Okay, to all my viewers, this is going to be my last cast. I'm pushing my luck now. Last cast. Immediately there's action. Let's get it done. Come on. Yes. No, I lost it again. Oh man. It was on. Yeah, I'm such a keen fisherman. I always say last cast. But yeah. And I changed my mind. Yes, there we go. It's on. It's on. Small one. You must fight it very gently with the small hooks. Otherwise they break or bend open your hook. Here we go. It's coming. Come on. Yes. I've got it, man. Another small kingfish. Beautiful. Beautiful fellows, a kingfish. And if they become big, they big fighters. Yeah. Yeah, so I just want to show my viewers these small hooks works like perfectly for small fish. Yeah. See, I've already taken my gloves off. So I'm finished now. But we're going to fish here a lot. I'm going to come here often to Mpenjati. I love it here. Yeah, and we're going to still catch big fish here. You'll see. I'll also bring my kayak here. Okay, I'm just going to release this beautiful kingfish. You must work very gently with the small ones. This one is also grunting. That's it. Beautiful, beautiful little kingfish. Okay, I'm gonna let him go. Guys and girls, thanks for watching my video. And thank you so much for your support. And for all my viewers, and especially for all my subscribers, thank you so much. You guys are great. Out of sunny South Africa, the sun has already set. Bye-bye.